I don't know if it was fireworks or gunshots, but the bird is in the air.
So hey guys, I know I look kind of crazy and kind of manly, but the finishing product you love. So today I'm gonna review this synthetic wig. I'm gonna fix this up and show you how to like slay it. Well, I'm not doing it like this though, but yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make a synthetic wig look neat and not so synthetic-y. So stay tuned. So I'm going to take my clips and clip the hair back in the front. Y'all don't judge this right now. We are gonna try to fix this up. Okay, then I'm gonna take my Ghost Bond glue. I use this glue on my hair because I don't keep wigs on long at all, and I want to be able to take it right back off. And to me, this glue doesn't last a long time, so I'm going to put it right around my hairline. Don't mind me doing this. I do not yuck out my edges when doing this. I take my time and take this off by using alcohol or steaming water to take it off. Now I'm only doing one layer. So that's drying in, and I'm gonna take it and place it on the glue. That's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was. And this is synthetic lace. Okay, y'all don't sleep on synthetic hair. So now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and, you know, let the glue melt in the lace with the heat. So this side is up, so I'm going to take some glue and put it there. This piece I'm going to have to cut off. Well, some of it. I'm gonna cut this piece off. Then I'm gonna take this elastic band and tie it around the lace in front. Take my blow dryer. So this is how it's looking so far. So now I'm going to take my hot comb. I'm going to turn it on the lowest and like gather it up in one. Like press it going back up in one. While the hot comb is heating up, I'll take this brush with makeup on it and just dab the front hair. With lace. What lace? So now I'm gonna part off the part that I'm putting in one from the part that's being left out. Synthetic hair does tangle, guys, so it's a bit of a struggle. Okay. Okay, the hot comb should be, oh, this is pretty hot. So I'm gonna part out the baby hairs now. Nothing too crazy. Okay.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave beside me. 'Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside.
Trust the process.
And I'm down for you always.
I show 'em how to network. Fuck that net, bitch, you chill. What's your network?
'Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you. Down for you. Down for you always. Kiki, you love me. Are you riding? Say you never.
So now I'm going to try to get this in one. Okay. Okie dokie. So now I'm going to cut these baby hairs with the razor. So I'm going to take my She Balm Edge Control and lay down my edges.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You needed me.
So guys, this is how it's looking so far. This side isn't working with me. I know this makes me look like a jungleist, but I'm just showing you guys how, for people who like color but can't afford, because 613 hair is very expensive, very. So if you want to save a little coins, you could do this sensational wig. So this how it looks. You could also put this in like a top knot bun. However you do it, but I don't like it like that, so this is the finishing product. So guys, hope you guys like this video. Also, you could also try this synthetic wig in case you really want a 613 human wig, but you could try this one to see if you like it or if it will suit you. I know I don't like this color, I don't like it at all, but I did it for you guys. So here you go. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more of these videos and more bougie, bougie on a budget videos. So yes, I hope you love it. Bye guys.